Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a classic sysadmin task, setting up passwordless SSH authentication for user or on our jump host to access our application servers. I'll be showing you the quick steps for generating the key, copying it to each server, and verifying the connection. Let's dive right in. Step 1 is key generation. From the jump host, we'll run the command ssh-keygen. We'll accept the default location by just hitting enter, and for this automation task, we will also leave the passphrase empty by hitting enter twice. Great, the keys are generated. The public key is now ready to be distributed. We're directing the public key to the user Tony on our application server 1. Since this is the first time, we have to use the password for Tony to authenticate. And we get confirmation that one key has been added. Now, let's verify. We tried to SSH into App Server 1. Success. We're logged in as Tony without entering a password. That server is done. We can now exit to return to the jump host. Now we repeat the exact same process for our remaining application servers 2 and 3, making sure to use their respective sudo usernames. And that's it. We have successfully set up passwordless SSH authentication from the jump host to all 3 application servers, meeting the task requirement. If this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more Code Cloud Linux tutorials. See you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.